From the bustling streets of Los Angeles to the remote highways of the Sierra Nevada, California's law enforcement agencies operate some of the most diverse and capable police fleets in America. Today, we're counting down the top 15 best police cars that have served and continue to serve the Golden State. Which one will take the crown? Let's find out as we go from number 15 all the way to number 1. Number 15. Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Police Package. Starting our countdown at number 15 is the Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Police Package. While not common in urban areas, this rugged SUV serves specialized roles across California. State parks police and some coastal agencies use these for beach patrol operations, off-road mountain rescues, desert enforcement in places like Joshua Tree, fire road access during wildfire season. With removable doors and roof, plus serious 4x4 capability, it's perfect for California's outdoor law enforcement needs. 14. Hyundai Sonata Police Package. At number 14, we have the Hyundai Sonata Police Package. While uncommon, several budget-conscious California agencies have adopted this Korean sedan for patrol duties. The Sonata Police Package offers competitive pricing, descriptions, Ben, warranty coverage. ECNA Fuel Desert, you needed to explain. Republic of 26%. A few Central Valley and smaller municipal departments chose the Sonata as an economical alternative to traditional American police cars, proving that effective law enforcement doesn't always require the biggest budget. Number 13. Nissan Altima Police Package. Number 13 is the Nissan Altima Police Package. Several smaller California agencies chose this sedan for budget-conscious policing. The Altima offered competitive pricing for cash-strapped departments, good fuel economy, reliable CVT transmission, adequate interior space for patrol duties. While not as popular as American alternatives, agencies like some Central Valley departments found it met their basic patrol needs effectively. Number 12. Chevrolet Impala Police Package. Coming in at number 12 is the Chevrolet Impala Police Package. Before its discontinuation, this front-wheel drive sedan served many California agencies. Key features included spacious interior with excellent rear passenger room, 3.6-liter V6 engine with decent performance, lower acquisition costs than competitors, good fuel economy for patrol operations. The Impala was particularly popular with agencies that prioritized comfort and cost-effectiveness over pure performance. Number 11. Ford F-150 Police Responder. At number 11 is the Ford F-150 Police Responder. California's rural counties and sheriff's departments rely on this pickup truck for specialized operations. The F-150 Police Responder provides best-in-class towing capacity for boats and trailers, truck bed for equipment and evidence transport, high ground clearance for rough terrain, multiple engine options including EcoBoost V6. From Humboldt County's forests to Imperial County's deserts, this truck handles California's demanding rural law enforcement needs. Number 10. Chevrolet Caprice Police Patrol Vehicle. Number 10 is the Chevrolet Caprice Police Patrol Vehicle. This Australian-built sedan had a brief but memorable run with California agencies. The Caprice featured rear-wheel drive performance, 6-liter V8 engine with 355 horsepower, spacious interior with excellent ergonomics, superior handling characteristics. Though discontinued after 2017, some California agencies praised its combination of performance and comfort during its short production run. Number 9. Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. At number 9, we have the legendary Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. The Crown Vic dominated California law enforcement for over 2 decades. This iconic sedan offered proven 4.6-liter V8 reliability, body-on-frame construction for durability, easy maintenance and low operating costs, excellent crash protection for officers. While production ended in 2011, you'll still spot these workhorses in service with smaller agencies across California. A true legend that defined American police cars. Number 8. Tesla Model Y Police. Number 8 is the Tesla Model Y Police. California leads the nation in electric police vehicle adoption, and the Model Y is gaining traction. Benefits include zero-emissions operation, instant electric torque for quick acceleration, lower fuel and maintenance costs, advanced autopilot and safety features, all-wheel drive capability. Several California agencies are piloting these vehicles, with promising results for both performance and cost savings. Number 7. Dodge Durango Pursuit. At number 7 is the Dodge Durango Pursuit. This 3-row SUV fills the gap between compact SUVs and full-size trucks. The Durango Pursuit offers available 5.7-liter Hemi V8 engine, seating for up to 7 officers or passengers, 8,700-pound towing capacity, advanced all-wheel drive system. California agencies appreciate its versatility for everything from prisoner transport to tactical operations. Number 6. Chevrolet Suburban Police Package. Number 6 is the Chevrolet Suburban Police Package. This full-size SUV serves as a mobile command center for California's largest agencies. The Suburban provides 5.3-liter V8 engine with towing capability, extended wheelbase for equipment storage, proven durability for high-mileage operations. LASD and other major agencies use these for SWAT operations, K-9 units, and special events throughout California. Number 5. Tesla Model S Police. At number 5 is the Tesla Model S Police. The Fremont Police Department pioneered police Tesla use, and others followed. The Model S delivers crazy acceleration for pursuit situations, 400-plus mile range for extended patrols, near silent operation for stealth enforcement, massive touchscreen for integrated police systems, industry-leading safety ratings. California agencies report significant fuel savings and positive officer feedback with these high-tech patrol cars. Number 4. Ford Police Interceptor Sedan. Number 4 is the Ford Police Interceptor Sedan. Based on the Taurus platform, this all-wheel drive sedan served California well before discontinuation. Key advantages included standard all-wheel drive system, twin-turbo EcoBoost engine options, advanced electronic stability control, excellent fuel economy for patrol operations, lower profile than SUVs for urban work. San Francisco PD and other agencies love the all-wheel drive for California's challenging terrain and weather conditions. Number 3. Chevrolet Tahoe Police Pursuit Vehicle. Taking the bronze medal at number 3 is the Chevrolet Tahoe Police Pursuit Vehicle. This full-size SUV is the workhorse of California Sheriff's Departments. The Tahoe PPV delivers 5.3-liter V8 engine with 355 horsepower, 8,400-pound towing capacity, high ground clearance for off-road operations, spacious interior for equipment and K-9 units, and proven durability in harsh conditions. From the Mojave Desert to the Redwood Forests, the Tahoe handles California's diverse geography with ease. Number 2. Dodge Charger Pursuit. Coming in at number 2 is the Dodge Charger Pursuit. This rear-wheel drive sedan is synonymous with California Highway Patrol. The Charger Pursuit features a massive 5.7-liter Hemi V8 with 370 horsepower, 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.7 seconds. Purpose-built police suspension and braking, advanced pursuit-rated cooling systems, reinforced structure for officer protection. The California Highway Patrol has made this their signature vehicle, and it's proven its worth in countless high-speed pursuits across the state's extensive freeway system. Number 1. Ford Police Interceptor Utility. And taking the number 1 spot is the Ford Police Interceptor Utility. Based on the Explorer platform, this SUV has become the backbone of California law enforcement. What makes it the best? 3.0-liter EcoBoost V6 with 400 horsepower, intelligent all-wheel drive system, superior officer visibility and safety, massive cargo capacity for equipment, advanced technology integration, versatility for urban and rural operations. From LAPD's massive fleet to small mountain town departments, the Police Interceptor Utility dominates California's streets. Its combination of performance, utility, and reliability makes it the ultimate California police car. From electric Teslas leading the future to the tried-and-true Ford Police Interceptor Utility dominating today's streets, California's police fleet represents the best in American law enforcement vehicles. Each serves a unique purpose in keeping the Golden State safe. What surprised you about our rankings? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, smash that like button if you enjoyed the countdown, and subscribe for more law enforcement content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.